You're beautiful. So it's the weekend before vacation, and this is when things get kind of silly for us. We make lists.
We check them twice.
Yeah, and they're not really comprehensive lists, because when we get about 20 miles down the road, we remember we forgot to put something on the list. Therefore, we actually forgot to bring it with us.
We've even had to turn back.
Yeah, but that was your fault.
No, it wasn't. That was the paddles for the paddle boards.
Yes. Yeah. You can't paddleboard without the paddles. We made a grocery list, and we went grocery shopping at our local grocery store. Even made a stop in at the Blue store. And the day after, we remembered 3 things we forgot.
Was it the day after? I think I remembered something like right when we got home.
Maybe it was the same day. It doesn't matter. Good. We'll still forget it.
We'll forget.
But this weekend before, we've got those lists we've got to complete. We had the spring game at Oklahoma State we wanted to go to. It's kind of a need at this stage in our fandom, I suppose. And then we have the additional things that each of us like to tack on. You know, she likes to do stuff like pull the refrigerator away from the wall so she can clean behind it, just in case any thieves come in and they steal the refrigerator. They won't go, ew.
Some people call it spring cleaning. I call it vacation cleaning. And I'll stay up all night the night before to do that. And
then I've got stuff like I just now finished a 77-hour work week.
And what do you call that?
Vacation Appreciation Week. So yeah, anyway, what we call a big trip is anywhere that's more than 4 hours away, and any time we spend more than 4 days away. That's a big trip, and we're getting ready for a big trip.
Yay, big trips. I'm excited.
I am too. I'm ready to get out of here. Quit working, quit making lists. Hey, well, it's Sunday evening. We made our last trip to the grocery store? I'm sure there's going to be another one. Actually, on the way home from work, I got to stop and grab a couple of things that we didn't want to get too early. Just trying to get everything done.
We can get the rest of the stuff we forgot when we do that.
Yeah. We didn't forget anything.
No, of course not.
A lot of lists, I got most of the items checked off my list.
Yeah, mine are mostly last second. I can't really do them now.
That's about the way we do it every time before one of these big trips. We've got a couple of lists we write down, like I mentioned earlier, and we just chip away at them. Really wanted to get all my stuff done before I head back to work in the morning.
Did you do it?
I did.
Good job.
I believe I am done. Other than, well, videos. I got to work on videos, but keep our 4 fans entertained while we're away.
Your mom and dad and my sister and your sister.
I'm a fan. I'm a fan of myself. I like myself.
I like you too.
See? Like I said, we end up forgetting something, but nowadays it's typically not anything big. The good thing with our grocery store trips, we've got this residential refrigerator, so one of our goals has always been not to have to make any grocery store trips while we're out. When we had the pop-up, it was couldn't get away with that, and then with the hybrid, it was challenging, but we could sometimes pull it off. With this thing, if we plan right, we won't be making any grocery store runs.
We got where we have doubles of everything, so we have pillows that stay in the camper and pillows that stay in the house, and comforters that stay in the camper and comforters that stay in the house, so we don't get down the road and think, oh no, we forgot my pillow.
Yeah.
So we pretty much have doubles on everything, medicine, everything. It's kind of nice. It's kind of handy.
Yeah, the way we have it set up for our weekend trips, I mean, I could get home from work and go, hey, you want to go to the lake? And we'd just jump in and go.
Grab a shirt and go, yep.
And, get groceries while we're down there. Half the time, there's groceries in this refrigerator anyways. We leave the rig plugged in when it's sitting at the house. So, anyway, busy weekend. Like I told her earlier, once we wake up Monday, it's just all going to be a blur because we'll be wanting to get some last minute things done that we didn't put on a list, but hopefully we'll get out of here before thunderstorms roll in.
There's storms coming?
Yes.
Oh boy. Are we going to be driving into them?
Yes, we are. Straight into them.
Yay! I think we did that our last trip.
We did. Anyway, guys, I guess we'll catch you down the road.
See ya.